Ever wondered how to study in the US as a foreign student? The answer lies in understanding the F-1 visa process. The F-1 visa is a unique type of non-immigrant visa designed specifically for foreign individuals who wish to pursue academic studies or language training programs in the United States. This visa is a gateway to a world of opportunities, opening doors to a quality education in one of the most respected educational systems globally. One of the significant benefits of the F-1 visa is the convenience it offers. An F-1 visa applicant typically experiences a shorter queue at embassies, a stark contrast to other visa categories. This means less waiting time and a faster process to reach your dream of studying in the US. The F-1 visa isn't just about studying, it's also about living the American experience. With this visa, you have the option to stay in the United States for anywhere between 4 to 8 years without leaving. This duration provides ample time to complete your studies, immerse yourself in American culture, make lifelong friendships, and create memories that will last a lifetime. But that's not all. The F-1 visa also offers a unique advantage for those with entrepreneurial dreams, or those who want to gain work experience in the US. From the 15th of March, 2022, holders of F-1 visas have been eligible to apply for work permits. This means you can work part-time while studying, gaining valuable experience and skills that can give your career a significant boost. The F-1 visa process is more than just a path to education. It's a path to personal growth, rich experiences, and potential career advancement. It's a journey that can shape your future and broaden your horizons. Navigating the F-1 visa process might seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it can be a smooth journey. The key is to understand the process, prepare thoroughly, and approach each step with confidence. After all, this is the first step towards your American educational journey, and it's an exciting one at that. Now that you're aware of the benefits of an F-1 visa, you might be wondering, how do you get one? Well, let's delve right into the process, step by step. First and foremost, you need an invitation from an educational institution in the form of an I-20 form. This form confirms that you've been accepted into a program of study that's recognized by the US government. The I-20 form is absolutely essential, as it's the proof you need to show the embassy that you have a legitimate reason to request an F-1 visa. With your I-20 form in hand, you're ready to move to the next step, scheduling an embassy interview. This is a crucial part of the process, and it's important to schedule it as soon as possible after receiving your I-20. The waiting times for appointments can vary, so it's best to get this step underway quickly. Now let's talk about preparing for the embassy interview. It's normal to feel a bit nervous. But remember, the purpose of this interview is to confirm the information you've provided in your application, and to ensure that you intend to return to your home country after your studies. You'll want to bring all necessary documentation, including your I-20 form, a valid passport, a translated diploma or school certificate, and a bank statement in English, showing sufficient funds to cover your expenses. Speaking of expenses, let's discuss costs associated with the F-1 visa application. The I-20 form fee ranges from $150 to $330 US. This is a non-refundable fee that you'll need to pay when you submit your application. Remember, the cost of language courses and living expenses in the US are separate and will need to be factored into your budget. Once you've gathered all your documents and paid your fees, it's time to fill out the application form. This form, called the DS-160, is available online and must be completed in English. It's important to answer all questions honestly and to the best of your ability. Once your application form is submitted and your interview is done, all that's left is to wait. The processing time for an F-1 visa can vary, so it's important to be patient. And there you have it. That's the process to obtain an F-1 visa in a nutshell. It may seem a bit daunting at first, but remember, each step brings you closer to your goal of studying in the US. By following these steps, you're on your way to obtaining your F-1 visa. And who knows, maybe your journey will spark a passion for international education in others too. So here's to your adventure. May it be filled with learning, growth, and unforgettable experiences. You've got your F-1 visa in hand, but where should you study? Picking the perfect city to further your education is a decision that can be just as important as choosing what to study. Each city in the US has its unique charm, culture, and of course, cost of living and education. Let's start with the City of Angels, Los Angeles. Known for its glitz, glamour, and Hollywood, Los Angeles is also a hub of education. Language courses here range from around $350 to $670 per month. With a wide array of subjects available for study, you can easily find something that catches your interest. Next on our list is the sunny city of Miami, where palm trees sway to the rhythm of the ocean breeze. The cost of language courses in Miami averages around $430 per month. So, if you fancy a side of sunshine with your studies, Miami could be an ideal choice. Heading over to the West Coast, we have San Diego. Known for its beautiful beaches and pleasant climate, San Diego is another great city to consider. Here, language courses will cost you around $520 per month. Now let's journey to the heart of America, Chicago. If you're a fan of architecture, jazz, and deep dish pizza, Chicago might be the place for you. However, it's also the most expensive city on our list, with language courses costing around $690 per month. Each of these cities offers a unique learning and living experience. They all have a diverse range of subjects to choose from, so you're not just learning a language, but also immersing yourself in an entirely new culture. But remember, the cost of education is just one factor to consider. You should also think about the cost of living, the climate, and whether or not you feel at home in the city. Choosing a city to study in depends on your preferences and budget. So take your time, do your research, and make the decision that's best for you. Before you embark on your F-1 visa journey, there are a few key points to remember. The first significant step in your application process is to ensure that your diploma or school certificate is translated into English. This is crucial because it is the standard language for all U.S. documentation. Moreover, it's not just about translation. You need to ensure that the translation is accurate and done by a certified professional. Any discrepancy in this document could lead to unnecessary complications. Next, you need to provide a bank statement in English showing sufficient funds. This is to assure the U.S. government that you can afford your stay and your studies in the country without becoming a financial burden. It's in your best interest to have a clear, understandable bank statement. Remember, the clearer your documents, the smoother your application process. Having a valid passport is a no-brainer, but it's worth mentioning. Your passport should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your period of stay in the U.S. Don't overlook this detail, as it could lead to your application being rejected. Now, let's talk about the application form. This is where you need to be meticulous. Fill out the form with utmost accuracy and honesty. Every detail counts. If you're unsure about any part of the form, don't hesitate to seek professional help. It's better to be safe than sorry. Lastly, you need to pay the I-20 form fee. The cost ranges between $150 to $330. This is a mandatory fee and is non-refundable, so make sure you're ready before you make the payment. In conclusion, applying for an F-1 visa might seem like a daunting task, but with proper preparation it's absolutely manageable. Translate your documents, have a clear bank statement, ensure your passport's validity, fill out the application form accurately, and pay your I-20 form fee. Remember these points and you're set to embark on your U.S. study adventure. The F-1 visa process might seem complex, but it's a path well-trodden by many international students. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. The F-1 visa, a non-immigrant visa, opens up numerous opportunities for foreigners, such as studying language courses in the U.S., staying for 4 to 8 years without leaving, even starting a business or obtaining an SSN. And fortunately, from March 15, 2022, F-1 visa holders can apply for work permits. The process to procure this visa involves receiving an invitation from an educational institution, scheduling an embassy interview, and preparing for it. Fees for language courses vary across cities, and to apply, there are certain documents and processes you must adhere to. Now we understand that this can be overwhelming, and that's why we recommend reaching out to Visa Crockett on Telegram for further assistance. With the right information and preparation, your dream of studying in the U.S. is within reach.